As we know, ERP integration can be a beast. It's like trying to get two people who speak totally different languages to not only understand each other, but to sing in perfect harmony. At GIR Software Services, we've been around the ERP block enough times to know that successful third-party integration into NetSuite takes a step-by-step strategy. Every successful ERP integration project starts with listening. We collaborate closely with your business stakeholders to understand exactly what you're trying to achieve. Once the requirements are clear, we map everything into a visual flowchart, a powerful tool to see the entire integration process. In any successful NetSuite integration, understanding the data is non-negotiable. We dig into the structures, formats, and fields exchanged between systems. Whenever possible, we stick with native NetSuite functionality. It's cleaner, faster to implement, and easier to maintain. Our development team builds the integration using suite scripts, REST APIs, or middleware. Then, our QA team stress tests it using real-world scenarios and edge cases. Before launch, we ensure everything is documented with a checklist, test final workflows, and get your team ready to roll. Communication is everything. We provide weekly updates, host check-ins, and deliver clear, realistic timelines. After deployment, we provide simple guides, walkthroughs, and live training, so your team knows how everything works. At GIR Software Services, we don't just connect systems. We deliver strategic ERP integrations that make your business faster, smarter, and more efficient.